Arbitrum Airdrop confirmed. In this video we're gonna go over one of those 14 potential airdrop, all those Arbitrum Odyssey projects. My name is Eve, also known as Finance After 40. Subscribe Patreon/Discord below to follow the whales and get some airdrop. Let's maximize our Arbitrum airdrop. We're gonna start with the third one. This is what we're gonna do: a board exchange. Right here we're gonna do a tutorial how to trade. A quick recap: Arbitrum said there's gonna be an Odyssey with 14 coins that got voted. We have voted. If you follow me, we did a video like a month ago, and all those 14 coins basically got voted to be on the Odyssey. What does it mean? I don't know. Could there be an airdrop to all of them? I don't know. I just want to maximize my basically profit, airdrop maximus potential. Wow, look at Bitcoin drop 400 points. I'm rethinking about adding reviving the what was it, AI prediction channel that basically I closed a month ago, and then everything crashed. It doesn't work in a bear market, but you know, who knows. But I'm gonna use it just to do a trade on the third one, on a board. Why am I doing a board? Because I started just to look. We're gonna, ideally I want to do all 14 of them, and you should. I'm not saying no, do your own research. But the first one, when you go to yield, basically it's kind of boring. You put as far as I know, as far as after playing a little bit with the protocol, you put like $100 minimum USDC, and you make like 0.5% land or borrow or something like that, and you can stake in a pool that is basically locked until either September or 6 months. It's too much of a hassle. I moved on. This one, hash flow network, and again, you don't have to do all of them. Optimism, I did Pika, I did Lira, because I like those two, and maybe Uniswap. I did a couple of swap, and synthetics I did I don't know, staked like $10 or something. I don't think it will give me anything. That's it. Doesn't from like the 10-15 projects that are live on DeFi Llama, I pick 2-3 that you multi-use and you actually like what you see. That's the key here. There's no reason to do all of them because you're gonna spread thin, and most of us don't have money to throw on 14 different projects for a potential airdrop. Okay, now the second one, Hashflow Network. They don't even have a website, so I don't know what it is. It just says bot. Just go look at them. Link of course will be below to this article. And there's no website, so there's nothing live just yet. So we're gonna do the third one, a board exchange, order book, decentralized derivative, which is basically this one. Order book, decentralized derivative, exchange, token, perpetual, index. I've done a couple of trades in the last couple of days. I got wrecked with 25x leverage on ApeCoin. I didn't put a lot, like $10 or something, but still, it's pretty cool platform. They've been live for a long time, I think like a year. Don't catch me on the word. And now they are in the Odyssey, so it's time to use them. Feel free to use them a couple of times for a potential airdrop for repeat users. That's what I think will happen, instead of just doing one trade and close the trade 2 seconds later. Yeah, let's get started. So we got ourselves Bitcoin, pretty nasty drop from 3,400 to 30,000 almost. Now it's climbing back up. This is the website, a board. Let's make sure I am recording, which I am. Decentralized derivatives, high performance, low fees. What do? You're gonna click, you can watch tutorial. They also have Pax Gold, so you can trade gold up or down. Let's click trade now. Okay, and it's gonna open basically the website. Connect your wallet basically, and you're gonna sign a message right here. Okay, it's not like I don't know, I'm not the Arbitrum tech expert. Here's what you need to do in order to get started and take at least one trade. You need to go basically here, click on your wallet and click deposit. In the deposit, you need to deposit USDC. Okay, on board is a non-custodial exchange. Only the wallet have access to the exchange account, which means you should be responsible for your wallet security. You can withdraw. Okay, so step one, just to even get started, it doesn't matter if you have Ethereum or USDC on your MetaMask wallet, it needs to be in the aboard website. Okay, so you're gonna click deposit, and you can deposit, as far as I know, only USDC, but I could be wrong. I got $1.70, so let's do $1.50 just for the example. I'm gonna click deposit, and we're gonna take a trade with the $1.50 because I already have a trade open. Yes, I'm gonna pay a fee in Ethereum 0.0016 just for the sake of science. Deposit success, beautiful stuff. Deposit $1.50 USDC into your account. Beautiful. Okay, now that this is done, you can see I have a trade right here. Bitcoin USDC long 25x with 2.4% Bitcoin. My entry price, this was yesterday, 30,230, and now the price is 30,000. Let's call it 150. Liquidation price, they're gonna liquidate me at 29,800, and then I'm gonna lose everything that I put, which is basically like $20 if it goes there. And you see PNL already down $2, which is 7.5%. If you see here order history right here, I've done a couple of trades, and I suggest, not a financial advice, that you do a couple of trades. As I said, play around with the protocol. You got myself, this is the last one. Let's move my face just so you know. I did ape and ape, buy, sell, and before that I did a little ape, near, ape, chain link. So I started on the 19 a couple of days ago. I like what I see. I mean, do, I don't know, 5 trades with over $100 total, like $20 every time. The leverage that you can do. Okay, let's take a quick trade. Okay, so this is Bitcoin really crashing. Look at this. If it goes below 30,000, all the happy faces from this morning basically gonna get wrecked. Aave is crazy. Aave is crazy, over $100. The version 3 of Aave making tons of money on Arbitrum. People forgot about Aave. I haven't. Ape 825. Let's assume that we're gonna go down. So let's we got Ethereum in here. I don't know what this one is. LCIX, Chainlink, near, gold. This is good. Okay, you click here, and then those are all the coins that you can long or short. Sandbox, Spell, Sushi, and Uniswap. Okay, so I'm gonna pick. Let's say Sushi is up almost 70% in the last week from $1. So I'm gonna click Sushi, and I'm gonna go short. Okay, haven't done that with Sushi. I'm just doing a quick example. 167. Let's go sell. I haven't done a sell Sushi. I'm gonna go max amount. Okay. Available USDC is basically 0. Why 0? I don't know. What happens when I click here? Available USDC. Did I deposit? Let me pause. So I don't know, maybe there's a minimum of more than $1 after fees. So let's close this Bitcoin. I'm gonna lose $4. Click market, close this position, confirm. Okay, insufficient quantity. Wow, interesting. What's the problem? Let me pause. Okay, so I don't know what happened. Probably need a little more margin because the market went down. So I closed like 75% of the position for like, I don't know, $20, $15. And now I'm just gonna show you that you see my USDC balance. Let's just refresh. It's a new protocol, you know. It's not like I'm gonna use it forever, but it is what it is. Sushi 165, sell, and I want to sell my entire amount of USDC. What's my available balance? 165. Okay, you see here now I got 21 bucks. Okay, so we did updated. I'm just gonna do market. I don't really care, and I'm gonna do 25x. Okay, you can change the leverage right here, and I'm gonna go short at 165. Leverage not change, because it's not a lot of money. I'm gonna waste 20 bucks, which gives me 315 sushi. I'm gonna go short. Let's click place market order, and lo and behold, super quick, super fast right here. And notification, market order, sell 316 sushi, price market. So we got ourselves, I got in right here 165.9. Oracle price is 166. Okay, liquidation 168. Are you kidding me? At 168, that's why you don't do 25x leverage. This is freaking crazy. Crazy stuff. Wow, 25x is crazy. But, you know, it is for science. How much did I put? 20 bucks or something? Yeah. Well, I can donate 20 bucks for the Arbitrum Fund Foundation, and maybe this will give us six-figure $100,000 airdrop. Either way, you can change the leverage right here. 1x, 6x, 13x, 19x, and 25. 25 is super crazy. I don't know how people trade basically, I don't know, the 30x, 50x. It's insane. Let's do a quick math. 166 to 168 is freaking insane. This was valuable. Patreon/Discord below. We will keep doing all the rest until we finish this. Then we're gonna go to ZK Sync. Then we're gonna go to Starknet. Feel free to follow me on this journey for 6 to 7 figure airdrop tutorial potential. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.